I'm curious, JT, when you put this on, include this as an option, what is the reduction of the insurance policy that you would expect or think about from a premium policy?
I mean, it all depends a bit. It could be thousands and thousands of dollars. It depends on what's going on at the properties, but I do know that his stat, was it 95% of these accidents that happen there are from simple things. It's usually grease fire in the kitchen or something like that, or a sink overflowing. So, unfortunately, it happens so often, but owners know that it doesn't cost that much to fix, and my deductible is $10,000 or $25,000 or whatever. So they don't even end up making a claim, and they have to pay for that out of pocket. With this, you don't have to pay for it out of pocket, and you don't have to tell the insurance company anything. As far as they know, everything was great all year long, and when it comes up to renewal, you look like a great owner, and yeah, they want to keep you. Your loss ratio is great. So yeah, it could be thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars.
Yeah, and JT, that's exactly right. And Julie, to sort of elaborate on the answer as well, one of the things that we've seen, and we've been doing this a long time too, is there's sort of this hidden or underbelly issue here. And some of it is, let's say you have a $2,500 deductible. Many owners and managers, if they have a $3,000 loss, will not submit that $3,000 deductible because of the adverse effect it has upon their loss ratios.
Sure.
So when we speak to groups about coming into our program, we ask them to analyze that as well, because that's something that many companies just assume and digest as the cost of doing business. So that and especially for new groups starting out and smaller group, and again, I say smaller groups. If you have 5 or 10 units, that can really turn out to be a substantial benefit and can really turn around the economics. We've also, and again, we have a really diverse portfolio, but we have seen our clients over the years, and again, to JT's point, there are so many variables that come into this, but I think it's important to articulate that we've seen clients of ours have 5 to 15% discounts on their property premium. And again, this is over a span of years. If you're familiar with what's going on in the property markets over the last 3 or 4 years, there's been great disruption there due to so many of these catastrophic losses out there. And even though we're a small niche product and a tiny sliver of the overall property insurance business, we nonetheless are in that same sandbox. So it impacts us. But that's a great question, Julie. And look, it's really comes down to common sense. If you're eliminating claims to your carrier, carrier's very happy because it's out of sight, out of mind to them. And as JT also alluded to, if the loss is under $100,000, there's no need for you to even let the carrier know about it. Not that you're trying to be disingenuous. It's just, you have another method to handle that exposure.
As far as they know, you took care of it out of pocket.